Hello guys and welcome to the new video. Another video about my E92 M3. In the previous video I talked how great it is. It's not all that good. I feel like it's better that I discuss the flaws of this car as well. So that's exactly what we're gonna do. We will try to find some nice roads and we will do a bit of POV driving and we will discuss all those flaws at the same time. Let's go! There we go. Is it good? Okay guys, so we have the GoPro and the GoPro for POV is ready and let's go and do this. There we go. Start the beast. Sheesh. Is the fuel light? Is the fuel light? Do you have a tenner maybe? Fiver? Check your pockets. I'll pay you back next week. Trust the process. Trust the process. I know I borrowed 50 last week. I'll pay you next week. I'll give you back the tenner next week and the 50 next month. Trust the process. Escape the matrix. Okay guys, let's go for a quick chill drive. Let's see how the car handles. Oil spill, oil spill! Y'all see that? Oh my god, that was close! That was way too close, guys! Oh my god! That is why you should always be careful. There's always oil spills everywhere on the public roads. It is not safe at all, them oil spills. Look at that, look at that! You seen it? If I have missed it, this would have been the last video of this car. Honestly, no cap. The maintenance on this car is good. Besides the brakes, that's expensive. And the road bearings, I don't think that's expensive. That's actually quite cheap. Woo! Look at the view! Sheesh! Slow, no. How about no? Oh, the way this car handles is like a dream. It was actually my dream. Dream came true. Just the perfect amount of power. Look at this, bro. The speed limit on track is 200 miles. Somebody is doing 30 miles per hour. Unacceptable behavior. Well, let's enjoy the scenery and use the chance to talk about what's not the best is the fuel economy on this car. I mean, if you look at the numbers, it's not even that bad. Look, 19.3 miles per gallon in the mountain roads. Tell me, is it bad for over 400 horsepower V8? That is from 2008. If you ask me, I think it's not even that bad economy, honestly. Insurance on this car is surprisingly cheap too for people from UK. What is not that cheap, however, is the road tax. That is a robbery. The road tax for this car, oh my god. I usually pay it. I pay it in full, and I actually don't pay it in full. I just don't check how much I pay. I just pay it. You know, I just pay it. Simple as that. I just pay the tax and I forget about it. It is well, how much you might ask? It is it is I can't even say it, bro. I'm trying. Look, I'm trying. So 700. But it's worth it. It's worth it. It's worth it. It's worth it. Definitely is. Come on, look at this. Oh my god. Oh my god. This is the best car experience you can get. The emotion, the revs, the V8 sound. It doesn't get better than that. It does not. You can tell me whatever you want. You can be faster. I don't care. This is the peak and performance experience. And you will not feel this in any other car, I'm telling you. I have tried them all. Actually, I only tried one more car. The M4, but I'm telling you, this V8 is something else. The only other car that I think probably would give you the same experience would be E60 M5, but that car is heavy. That car is not as nimble as this one. It just is not as fun, especially for roads like these. But this one, however, will deliver it all. This car will make you happy. You have to experience at least for, I don't know, 1 year. Just buy it and sell it. At least you will have checked the box of trying the best car available. These days they are one of the cheapest cars available as well. So even more reasons to get one now, because the prices are already rising. You can find one for as low as, I know, £12,000, depending on the mileage, all the way to the £30,000. So realistically around 16,000 you will find a good unmolested example. Not like this one. This is the opposite. This is the molested version, and that's what I love about it. I actually drive the car. I actually drive it the way it's meant to be driven, without worrying about paint. The only worry is the engine. I'm always cautious about the engine. When it's cold, I never push it above 2000 RPM. Simple as that. Nice and easy. Driving it like old man on Sunday to church. That's that. This was my dream, and I am living the dream. The traction is on. I'm not really trying to drift these corners because, I mean, look how sketchy this place is. One mistake and family of 5 is discontinued. M3 and these roads, perfect combination. You're not trying to be first, you are just enjoying the experience of the naturally aspirated V8. Now, if you want to see how the 8,500 RPM feels like, let me demonstrate. Woo! 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 And that is how exactly it feels to rev this car all the way up. Actually, I'm not sure if it's exactly 8,500, maybe more like 8,300 RPM, but it loves the revs. It just constantly pulls you through those revs. It's unforgettable experience. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please consider subscribing if you want to see more videos of such, and I will see you in the next video. Have a good one, guys.